Gooshy Step Talk Communicator by Sandra Esquivias. So this is the Gooshy Step Talk Communicator. It has a colorful design with lights, vibration, and music to provide motivation. The features are: the Gooshy Step Talk Communicator features a series of pre-recorded messages. The moon-shaped jelly-filled bottom has floating stars in it. It encourages the user to press it to communicate. The user presses the communicator for the first message, twice for the second message. Depending on the recorded messages, the device can be designed for a variety of tasks, such as multiplication, memorization, directions, and sequencing. The cost is about $250. And the prerequisite skills, it is a direct selection communicator designed for use by individuals with cognitive, communication, or speech disabilities. Needed training. There is no real training required. This is a simple switch used with switch adapted devices and toys. It plugs into the device and activates the device for as long as the switch is depressed. Capabilities associated with the device system software. The Gooshy Step Talk Communicator is the perfect communicator for the non-speaking adult or child. It expresses a series of your pre-recorded messages up to 300 seconds when the device is activated. This allows people with even the most limited communication skills to carry on a simple conversation, ideal for a number of different purposes, including sequences, testing, directions, multiplication, memorization, instructions, storytelling, and sing-along. The pros versus cons. So the pros are: its sensory device, pre-recorded messages up to 300 seconds. It has lights, vibration, and music. It's soft, squishy, and sparkly, and it's a simple switch. The cons are: batteries not included, and it might be a bit expensive because it's worth $250.